Have you ever dropped a pencil and wondered, why does it always fall down? Why doesn't it float away into space? Today, we're going to explore the invisible force that keeps everything on Earth and even the moon right where it belongs. Here's a fun question for you. What do you think will happen if we drop a feather and a coin at the same time? Stay tuned to find out. Gravity is an invisible force that pulls everything toward the Earth. The Earth is huge, and because it's so big, it pulls everything toward it. This pulling force is called gravity. Let's try a quick experiment. If you drop a ball and a feather, you'll see the ball falls faster because of air resistance, something that slows objects down. But gravity is pulling both of them downward at the exact same strength. If we took away the air, like in a vacuum, the feather and ball would fall at the same speed. Isn't that amazing? It shows how powerful gravity really is. Without gravity, we would float away, and oceans, air, and even our homes, sea wouldn't stay on the ground. Everything would be a mess. Let's try this at home. Hold a pencil or a toy and drop it. Did it fall? That's gravity. Now try dropping a bigger object, maybe a ball. Notice it falls too, every single time. Gravity pulls everything big or small toward the Earth. Mass doesn't stop gravity. Here's a fun fact. In a vacuum, a feather falls just as fast as a coin. No air to slow it down. Why not try dropping different things around your house? Make a guess first. Then test and see what happens. Be a real scientist and record your results. Now here's something very important. Do you know the difference between mass and weight? Mass is how much stuff is inside you. It never changes, no matter where you go. But weight is the measure of gravity's pull on your mass. If gravity changes, your weight changes. That's why you weigh much less on the moon than on Earth, even though you're still the same size. So remember, mass stays the same, but weight depends on gravity. Did you know gravity exists everywhere in space? It's the glue of the universe. On the moon, gravity is much weaker, about 1/6 of Earth's gravity. That's why astronauts hop and float around when they walk on the moon. It's like a bouncy castle. Different planets have different gravity strengths. Jupiter is super strong, while Mars is weak. Gravity holds the moon orbiting Earth and Earth orbiting the sun, holding the solar system together. Gravity is even responsible for how stars and planets are born. It pulls giant clouds of dust together. It pulls them tighter and tighter until they become hot enough to shine like our very own sun. Gravity affects water and air too. It pulls rain down from the clouds. It keeps oceans in place and holds the air close to Earth so we can breathe. Thank you, gravity. Ocean tides happen because of the moon's gravity pulling on Earth's water every single day. Everything around us, trees, houses, even you, is held firmly by gravity. You're not going anywhere. Let's see what you remember. Question 1. What force pulls objects toward Earth? That's right, gravity. You're becoming a gravity expert already. Question 2. Does gravity push or pull? Think about those arrows we saw. It pulls objects toward Earth. It's a never-ending tug-of-war that gravity always wins. Question 3. Would gravity work on the moon? Remember our astronaut friends. Yes, but it is weaker than Earth's gravity. You'd be able to jump much higher there. Last one, question 4. Can objects float if there's no gravity? What happens in space? Yes, in space or places with very low gravity like on the International Space Station. Today we learned, gravity pulls, Earth is strong, it's everywhere, and we need it to live. If you loved discovering gravity with us, please hit like and subscribe. Comment below telling us, what object will you drop next to test gravity? We want to know. Stay curious and join us for more fun science adventures. See you next time.